Welcome to our video on 3 natural supplements to lower blood sugar quickly. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those with diabetes or prediabetes. While medication and lifestyle changes are essential, natural supplements can also play a significant role in helping to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll explore 3 powerful natural supplements that can help lower blood sugar quickly and effectively. Before we start our countdown, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Now, are you ready to learn about these supplements that could help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels? Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is berberine. This natural compound, found in several plants like golden seal, barberry, and Oregon grape, has been used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Berberine is renowned for its potent effects on blood sugar regulation, making it an excellent natural option for those looking to manage their glucose levels more effectively. Berberine works by targeting multiple pathways in the body. One of its primary mechanisms is improving insulin sensitivity, which means it helps your cells use insulin more efficiently. This is crucial because insulin resistance is a common issue in individuals with type 2 diabetes. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, berberine allows your body to lower blood sugar levels more effectively. Additionally, berberine helps to decrease glucose production in the liver. Normally, your liver produces glucose to ensure a constant supply of energy. However, in people with diabetes, the liver often produces too much glucose, leading to high blood sugar levels. Berberine helps to regulate this process, thereby reducing the amount of glucose released into the bloodstream. A study published in the journal Metabolism found that berberine can significantly reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve glucose tolerance. In the study, participants who took berberine experienced a reduction in their HbA1c levels, a key marker of long-term blood sugar control. Researchers suggest that berberine works similarly to the prescription drug metformin, one of the most commonly prescribed medications for diabetes. This similarity makes berberine a powerful supplement for managing blood sugar levels naturally. Moreover, berberine has additional health benefits. It has been shown to support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving lipid profiles. It also possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect against various chronic diseases. However, it's important to note that while berberine is generally well tolerated, it can interact with certain medications. For example, berberine can enhance the effects of drugs that lower blood sugar, such as metformin, potentially leading to hypoglycemia, dangerously low blood sugar levels. It can also interfere with medications that are processed by the liver's cytochrome P450 enzymes, such as certain statins, antidepressants, and antihypertensives. Additionally, berberine may interact with anticoagulant and antiplatelet drugs, increasing the risk of bleeding. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting berberine, especially if you are taking other medications. They can help you determine the right dosage and monitor for potential interactions to ensure your safety and the effectiveness of your treatment regimen. At number 2, we have cinnamon, a spice cherished not only for its delightful flavor, but also for its impressive ability to lower blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is now backed by modern research highlighting its potential benefits for managing diabetes. Cinnamon contains bioactive compounds, including cinnamaldehyde, which can enhance insulin sensitivity and help lower fasting blood sugar levels. Improving insulin sensitivity means that the body's cells are better able to respond to insulin, facilitating more efficient glucose uptake from the bloodstream. This is particularly important for individuals with type 2 diabetes, where insulin resistance is a common problem. One notable study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that cinnamon supplementation could lead to a significant decrease in blood sugar levels. In this study, participants who took cinnamon supplements experienced improved insulin sensitivity and better blood sugar control compared to those who did not take the supplement. The researchers found that cinnamon could mimic insulin by increasing glucose uptake by cells, thus reducing blood sugar levels. In addition to its blood sugar lowering effects, cinnamon also has other health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which can help protect against chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are known contributors to the development and progression of diabetes and its complications, so the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of cinnamon can be particularly beneficial. You can incorporate cinnamon into your daily diet in various ways. For example, adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to your coffee, oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt can be an easy and delicious way to consume it. Cinnamon can also be used in savory dishes, such as in marinades for meats or in stews, adding a unique flavor while providing health benefits. For those who prefer supplements, cinnamon is available in capsule form, typically in doses ranging from 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams per day. However, it's important to choose high-quality supplements and consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you are on medication or have underlying health conditions. This ensures that the supplement is safe for you and won't interact with any of your medications. It's worth noting that there are different types of cinnamon, with Ceylon cinnamon and cassia cinnamon being the most common. Ceylon cinnamon, often referred to as true cinnamon, is generally considered to be safer for long-term use as it contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. When choosing cinnamon supplements, look for those made from Ceylon cinnamon to reduce the risk of potential side effects. Topping our list at number 1 is alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, a powerful antioxidant that has garnered attention for its ability to lower blood sugar levels quickly. ALA works by enhancing the body's ability to use glucose more efficiently and improving insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable supplement for those managing diabetes. One of the key benefits of ALA is its dual action in both water and fat-soluble environments within the body, allowing it to work throughout all cells and tissues. This unique property enables ALA to effectively reduce oxidative stress, a significant contributor to insulin resistance and diabetes complications. By neutralizing free radicals, ALA helps protect cells from damage and supports better overall metabolic function. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care highlighted the efficacy of ALA supplementation. The study found that ALA significantly improved insulin sensitivity and reduced fasting blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Participants who took ALA showed better glucose control, which is crucial for managing diabetes and preventing long-term complications. Moreover, the study noted improvements in symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, a common and painful condition affecting the nerves due to high blood sugar levels. It's best to take ALA with meals to enhance its absorption and effectiveness. However, as with any supplement, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting ALA to ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs and to avoid potential interactions with other medications. For example, ALA can interact with thyroid medications like levothyroxine, potentially reducing their effectiveness. Additionally, ALA might affect blood sugar levels, so if you're taking diabetes medications, such as insulin or metformin, your healthcare provider might need to adjust your dosage to prevent hypoglycemia. Always discuss your full medication list with your provider to ensure safe and effective use of ALA. Beyond blood sugar management, ALA offers additional health benefits. Its antioxidant properties can also support overall health by reducing inflammation and protecting against a variety of chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammatory markers, ALA helps protect against these conditions, promoting overall health and well-being. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory effects can provide relief from conditions like arthritis, supporting joint health and reducing pain and stiffness. This makes ALA a well-rounded supplement, not only for those with diabetes, but also for individuals looking to enhance their antioxidant intake and overall well-being. And there you have it, the top 3 natural supplements to lower blood sugar quickly. Incorporating berberine, cinnamon, and alpha-lipoic acid into your daily routine can help you manage your blood sugar levels more effectively and support your overall health. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. If you have any questions or personal experiences with these supplements, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Also, check out the description for links to our recommended supplements. Thanks for watching, and have a healthy and happy day.